Hi everyone. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Papri welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about on an interesting activity that is compiled by the most successful and innovative platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Today's idea is developed by the innovative teachers of UP Board for subject English, class 3rd, chapter number 6, chapter name is My Band, and the idea that we are going to implement today is known as theme-based attendance. So the innovation of this idea, theme-based attendance, is to use attendance as a medium of learning in the classroom scenario to make attendance productive and useful at the same time. The time period for this for implementing this idea is about 20 minutes, and the theme of the attendance is vocabulary. Now, educator initiate the activity by informing students that today they will be doing attendance in a different and a playful manner. Educator gives some sets of instruction to the students to implement the process of theme-based attendance. That is, listen to your roll number and say aloud a word and state its meaning from the lesson instead of saying present. Ask students to maintain discipline in the class while performing the activity. Now, the conduction of activity is as follows. Students are called according to their roll number. For example, roll number 1, roll number 2, and so on. Each student stands up and say a word and state its meaning from the lesson. For example, roll number 1, Priya, says the word trumpet from the lesson and state its meaning, that is dhol. Roll number 2, Riya, says the word tambourine and state its meaning duffrey. Now, students can reply in their own dialect here as well. The same process will continue until all the students respond. Conclude by informing students that they have just revised the vocabulary concept through attendance. Now, there are some learning outcomes that can be achieved in this lesson while teaching this lesson, and these are read aloud the word in a correct pronunciation and pause. Expresses one's opinion orally about the story, character, or etc. in English or home language. Next is respond appropriately to the oral communication. Now, there are some points that need to remember, and these are this story is suggested to be taught as per the syllabus guidelines. Inclusion of the learning outcome of English facilitate an integrated approach to the learning while student answer the various questions or act the commands or act the instructions given by the educator. This activity will continue until the last roll number. Student must pay attention to the words responded by the other students. This activity ensures active participation of the students in the classroom, which is the main aspect of a peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Now, there are some values that can be imparted while teaching this lesson, and these values includes decision making and critical thinking while thinking and answering about the word and state its meaning. Also, there are some benefits of using this innovative idea for the children with special needs, CWSN, and these are choosing words from the chapter and reply to their roll number would enhance the memory of the student while with learning disabilities, and they will also understand the meaning of that word. It will also increases a patience level of the student with ADHD and autism as they will wait for their turn. It will also improve the understanding and response time of the children with learning disabilities. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and click the bell icon for all the future notifications of our video. And if you are using Facebook, you can also like our Facebook page, Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI. And you can also download our innovative Pathshala app from the Play Store. Thank you.